You could have replied. You could have proved them wrong. But you stayed silent, not because you were weak, but because you chose peace over pride. And in that silence, Allah noticed you. Sometimes silence speaks louder than anger. When someone mocks you, argues, or spreads lies, your ego wants to fight back. But your soul, it whispers, leave it to Allah. This verse describes the true servants of Ar-Rahman. And the servants of the Most Merciful are those who walk upon the earth humbly. And when the ignorant address them harshly, they say, words of peace. That's not easy. It takes more strength to stay calm than to win an argument. Every time you choose silence for Allah's sake, He writes it as an act of worship. Because you've defeated your nafs. The world may see your silence as weakness, but the angels record it as victory. Next time someone tries to pull you into drama, smile and say, Salam. You've just passed a test and earned reward without saying a word. Comment, Ya Allah, grant me peace when I'm provoked. Save this as your reminder that silence can be strength. Follow for daily Quranic reflections that calm the heart.